Hey everyone, welcome back to the makeup chair. Today I want to talk about a skincare product that has honestly changed so much about my skin and also a lot of my self-confidence as well. It's weird, I didn't think a product could have this much of an effect on my personal self as much as it has an effect on my skin. Like, this product has dramatically changed my skin but also changed how I kind of see myself when I look in the mirror. But I've deliberately come on here with very minimal makeup on just to kind of prove a point that it's not always about being full glam, that your skincare can actually make you feel a lot more confident. If you want to see this tutorial, check it out from last week. Now, I've had problematic skin and my makeup made me feel confident, but now I feel like my skin is just at a better place, so I feel more confident in just my own skin. Now, this is a high-end product, and you know I'm not a high-end type of girl. I kind of like to go for the drugstore stuff as much as I possibly can, but this product has just made such an effect on me, and I really wanted to tell you guys about it because I'm hoping that it'll help some of you guys out as well. So this is a product. It is the Giorgio Armani Soft Peeling Lotion. I use 2 pumps a night. Only use it at night. I don't use it in the morning. I find it doesn't quite work underneath makeup. It tends to be more of an evening thing, and it's just a liquid, but it has like a really silky finish. So I use it on a cotton pad and I just apply it all over my skin to begin with. And with the second pump, I focus on certain areas. So I'll focus around the eye area, on my smile lines, and then across my forehead. And what this product seems to be doing is just improving the look of my fine lines, tightening up my pores, helping with any blackheads, helping with any dry patches on my skin, and then also giving my skin a really healthy glow. Now, this was sent out to me in a PR package like last year, and I didn't really reach for it that often. And then I just started using it at night because I didn't have my toner with me, and I just wanted to make sure my skin was completely clean. And I noticed that over time my skin was improving and improving, and I didn't realize it was down to this until I took a break from using it, and my skin just wasn't happy. It was really dry, it felt really uneven, the texture was really bad, it didn't have a nice glow to it either, it looked really dull. Then I used this, and literally within 2 days of using it, my skin was back to being glowing again. Like, there's 150 mils in this bottle, and I've barely used any of it, but it has made such a massive difference. And not only that, and I get kind of emotional even talking about it, but it actually makes me feel a lot more confident in my own skin as well. Pretty much every day since the start of, and I don't want to get into it too much, but every day since the start of this year, I have had people messaging me, people even I would consider friends, messaging me, telling me just about flaws that they see in me that they somehow think I should fix or sort out or improve on. If you can imagine having these insecurities about yourself already and then having somebody else point them out to you constantly every day, whether it's that your face is fat or your skin is uneven or you have wrinkles or whatever they want to say about you, even if you try not to let it affect you, it still does. Whereas when I start using this product and I look at my skin and it's glowing and it looks a little healthier, I feel more myself, and I feel like I can reflect a lot of what people are constantly telling me every day. So this product has just made me feel a little bit more confident in myself, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I want it to hopefully help you guys out as well. A lot of people ask me about like acne scarring, and I find that it definitely fades any blemishes that I've had. It seemed to make my skin just look a lot clearer, but also the texture feels a lot better as well. I find my makeup goes on smoother the following day. I don't use this before the makeup because I find it doesn't work that way. I find you have to use it overnight, but I just find that this has limited how much products I have to use at night because it's like a serum and a glow tonic and an eye cream, kind of everything that I need in one product. I know it's a little expensive, but it has been working amazing for me. And if you have similar skin type to me, if you're getting towards the 30s and you want something that's going to keep your skin looking fresh, I highly recommend it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.